This countertop cereal dispenser from OXO offers a generous capacity that easily holds a family-sized amount of cereal, granola, or dry snacks while still fitting neatly under most cabinets. The internal chute and trapdoor style opening release cereal gently, so flakes and clusters stay intact instead of getting crushed as they pour out. Spring-loaded non-slip levers on both sides make it simple to dispense with one hand whether you are right-handed or left-handed, and they give you good control over portion size. Dual silicone seals at the lid and inside the dispenser help keep cereal crisp for longer, so you are not dealing with stale breakfast after a few days on the counter. A removable crumb tray at the base catches stray pieces and dust, which keeps your countertop cleaner and makes quick wipe downs much easier. The canister is made from durable, bisphenol A-free plastic that locks securely into the stand, yet lifts off without fuss for thorough washing and refilling.